Hi students, today we are starting next disorder, that is phenylketonuria. It is an inborn error of metabolism and mentioned as a recessive trait. Affected individuals lack an enzyme that converts amino acid phenylalanine to tyrosine. Phenylalanine converts into phenylpyruvic acid and other derivatives. Accumulation of these in brain result in mental retardation. These are also excreted through urine because of its poor absorption by kidney. Phenylketonuria is an inborn error of metabolism that results in decreased metabolism of the amino acid phenylalanine. Untreated phenylketonuria can lead to intellectual disability, behavioral problems, and mental disorder. It may also result in a musty smell and lighter skin. Musty smell means lacking of freshness or absence of freshness. Other names are phenylalanine hydroxylase deficiency. Phenylalanine is found in most protein containing food such as milk, egg, cheese, nuts, soybean, chicken, beans and fish. Symptoms: without treatment, intellectual disability. Now here we will see what is phenylketonuria. Just focus on the screen. This is phenylalanine, as you can see. If mutation is there, then it will convert into useful chemical carbon dioxide and water. Mutation means immediate changes, and if it is not broken down, it will convert into phenylpyruvic acid, and which will give rise to phenylketonuria. In this disease, dietary proteins are there. Dietary proteins, they convert either in phenylalanine or tyrosine, and phenylalanine ultimately convert into tyrosine. Phenylalanine converts into phenylpyruvic acid also, and tyrosine, it gives rise to melanin, protein and dopamine, and these all deficiency is known as phenylketonuria. Now we will understand what is melanin and dopamine. Let's start with melanin. It is a natural skin pigment. Hair, skin and eye color in people and animals mostly depends on the type and amount of melanin they have. Special skin cells called melanocytes make melanin. Everyone has the same number of melanocytes, but some people make more melanin than others. Dopamine is a type of neurotransmitter. Our body makes it and our nervous system uses it to send messages between nerve cells. That is why it is sometimes called a chemical messenger also. Dopamine plays a role how we feel pleasure. It's a big part of our unique human ability to think and plan. You can see how phenylalanine it converting into tyrosine and phenylpyruvic acid, melanin and dopamine is discussed to you already, and here how phenylketonuria arises in human being. This is what I have taught you. I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.